We don't know what that noise is. Keep hearing it. Let's go over there. Police are up to something. We can be nosy.
Red thing, that's what's caught my eye.
I don't know what it is, but I want one. Good morning, everybody.
Good sunny morning.
And welcome to Pamplona.
Yes.
We've made it to Spain.
Blue skies and sunshine.
It's beautiful. Bit chilly overnight, but it's beautiful now.
I didn't notice, I slept very well.
You did. I slept well as well.
Yeah.
Even though there's a main road running around this air.
It didn't bother us, did it?
Beautiful. And for anybody who's interested, the air is €10 a night with electric, water, everything.
Yep.
Which equates to £8.74 UK money.
But if you arrive after sort of tea time, you might struggle to get a space.
Yes, it's very popular.
Yeah.
We're in end of October. So we're heading up into the town.
Hey, end of October, it's November tomorrow.
Yeah.
Blimey.
It's going to be about 16, 17 degrees today.
It's
full
just
sun.
right, just nice.
Zach's got the scooter.
He's having fun on that.
How fast that lift goes? Now we have to go up to get into town. And there's a lift. And it's glass. What we're thinking?
It's a bit high. I don't know. Lee will be laughing at me because he did it.
Catherine's not keen on this. We can go up the steps. It's not far up the steps. I'll just carry the buggy.
Well, how's about I carry the dog up the steps and you go up the lift with Zach?
We'll just go up the steps.
You've
It's not
got
fun.
heavy scooter to
I'll carry him.
Right.
I'll carry him if it's easier for everybody
Right.
else. Would you like to go in the glass lift?
I'm not bothered.
Or up the steps?
I don't care really.
Well, I've just said to Dad, either I carry Boo and you go in the lift with Dad and take everything the easy way.
Let's just go up the steps. It's look, it's only there. I can carry stuff up.
Yeah.
And then it saves anybody being worried.
It's just got a railing inside on it. It's yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Detector on the side of it.
And somebody's graffitied it. So you can actually come up the slopey bit here, because where we want to be is into the woodlands,
Yeah, we want to be into the
up into the garden bit, so Boo can stretch his legs. Beautiful big park here, isn't there? Big built up area. And we've got a beautiful park to walk in. And it looks like we're going to go and...
That was a bit anticlimactic. I thought it was going to look a big 50-foot drop. It's not, it's about 3 foot. Alright. It's about 3 foot down to a hill.
Beautiful view over there. Beautiful. But we're going the wrong way that way. Zach's enjoying getting the scooter out. It's the first time I've had it out for ages, isn't it?
Yeah.
But across there you've got the town walls all the way around. Obviously the air is down there. And we're walking through the park to get up to the centre of Pamplona, where the famous bull running is done, isn't it? Every July. So we've missed that.
Good.
We was looking forward to getting chased by a big bull, weren't we?
Oh yeah, of course.
There's a nice big water fountain here. It's not running today, but Zach's going to flatten battery before we get there. You'll be alright, it's got battery on that. Fancy a dip, Bo?
Not that deep.
No, it's just a water fountain, isn't it? It's not supposed to be deep. A few conkers in it. No money.
I'll jump in and see if it's cold. Oh, wait, is it breathing? There's like fishies or something, look.
That'll be freezing cold in there, Zach.
Dripping off the fountain.
Yeah. To say Zach didn't want to bring the scooter.
He's having a whale of a time.
It's singing away, isn't it?
Yep.
Well, we've just spotted some deer over there. Oh, it's like a moat round here, look. There's a load of guinea fowl and some chickens. We've got some geese.
Chickens.
But yeah, the deer are just across there, look. Against that wall. Yeah, they've got a big run there, look. Oh, there's a cockerel. Beautiful. There's another big, beautiful fountain over there, isn't there? Wow, look at the size of that one. That's massive. More garden area. So we've not learnt any Spanish yet, for anybody who's wondering. We don't
Hello. Hola.
Hola. That's all we know. We're bound to say bonjour to somebody. Yeah. We're just bound to do it.
Well, we've got into the swing of it, haven't we?
Oh yes. Yes, we're alright. People say, why don't you learn a bit? We have learnt a little bit.
We have learnt a bit,
The problem is when they speak back quite fast, and
yeah, it's very confusing.
Sometimes it seems like a long sentence, and I think, I don't know what they said then. And normally, a girl in Aldi says, I was just asking if you wanted your receipt.
Yeah.
But some just say ticket, don't they?
Yes.
But yeah, when they have a long sentence, we like going into the supermarket and they just ding 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 ding.
They do an Aldi and just give you a price and that's it, yeah.
Give it price. Ticket, yeah, that's it.
Job done, yeah.
That's brilliant, that's what you want.
Yeah.
Here's the bird song and the Zach song on the scooter. We've got a leaf blower man making a load of noise behind us, but we're heading down into town.
Yeah.
That lovely church.
Pretty.
I think that's what we just heard the bells ring on a minute ago.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you look over there, there's a countdown timer. So in 28 seconds we'll be able to cross over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can probably see the countdown timer on there. So you know how long you've got left. Wow, that leaf blower's noisy when he fires it up, innit?
Yeah.
Here's our first street in Pamplona. Looks quite busy.
Again.
Everybody's got coats on.
Yeah.
Noisy sod with that leaf blower. Hey, they've got the Christmas decorations up. I wonder if they're lit up at the minute, whether it's come down at night. Maybe just me and you. Well, it's just a
nice little shop.
Little convenient shop for bits and bobs. I bet everybody will be looking strange at me. I've got shorts on. I don't think it's too cold.
Yeah, only one with shorts on.
Yeah.
CBD shop, is it? Yeah.
Yes. Catherine's found a cheap shop or something here. She's going to be in. Do a bit of all sorts. Zach needs some socks. Did they do socks in there?
Yes.
Cool. They've got these underground bins as well.
Yeah.
One for recycling. You know, your different types, and you drop it in and it goes underground. Not quite sure how they collect it, are they? But
you want to take a street photo?
Oh, you're going to street photo, Zach? Good idea. This is another one of them places where it's got streets,
like a big square or something.
Streets going off into streets in all directions. Yeah, well, we'll just keep going down this way for now. They'll all leave out at the same bit, won't they?
I would think so, yeah.
You got your fresh bread here, look. Oh, look at them, Zachy. Oh. Some lovely desserts in there. The streets are a bit nicer on the buggy, if you keep to the path, aren't they?
Yeah.
A bit rickety on the middle bit. Clothes seem quite cheap here.
They do, don't they?
From what I've seen so far. Got another street going off that way, look. Oh, what we got here? Like a big chapel. Yeah, but we can get a decent beer here, can't we? We can get an Estrella Damm.
Yeah.
I love Estrella Damm.
It's one of your favourites, isn't it?
Oh.
It's a bit early yet though, dear. It's not dinner time yet.
It's never too early. We're on holiday. We'll have to get some bread as well, some fresh bread.
Oh, yeah.
But no point getting it at the beginning of the journey. We might as well get it at the end.
Well, it's Halloween today, isn't it?
It is Halloween today, yes.
Rooms and things.
Might be nice to walk around tonight.
Yeah.
I can hear a train or something.
Oh, that.
Someone made a rat racket there. I don't know where it was. There's Zachy's shop, the cookie shop.
Ooh, cookie shop. Cookie shop.
Oh, it's a pretty building.
It's a pretty building, isn't it?
It is. We're heading down Zatave. There's another, looks like a Subway type shop here, look.
Yeah.
Plenty of restaurants and coffee shops. Obviously a bit cheaper than France. Oh, that's the one up there, look, dinging. And that one. Ah, it's every 15 minutes, look, because it dinged at 1/2 and now it's 1/4 to. Oh, look at those butties. They look like big bacon sandwiches, but not. Oh, it looks like salami or something. Oh, there's some good sniffs around here, guys. I can smell sausage. Yes, it was like a salami shop, wasn't it? But they look good, and I do like some, but I don't like them all. So it's one of them, we can't really buy it, can we?
No.
We found Burger King. Burger King is over there, and we're going up here to the centre. Sweet shop. There's that noise again. Sounds like bottles. We don't know what that noise is. Keep hearing it.
I wonder if it's like the bins load so much up and then they drop them
it
through
underground.
Yeah.
I don't know. Don't know how it works.
It sounds like they're coming down the road and not.
Yes. If you know how it works, let us know, because we don't know how it works. Got a cannabis shop there. Look. Jewellery.
It just seems to be like nobody seems to care about it.
No, nobody else seems to do anything apart from us.
It just makes us jump.
Sounds like there's a lorry just about to run you over.
Yeah.
This looks like a good centre area.
Yeah.
Got one of the fire engine cars out. They were practicing this morning with the sirens.
Yeah. Noisy devils.
Got police out as well. What police doing? Wow. It's lovely and warm around here, isn't it? The toilets are underground here, look. It's quite clean as well. They're playing an accordion, is it? Over there. Right, onwards then.
Which way?
Let's go over there. Police are up to something, we can be nosy. Yes, we can be nosy because the police have just gone over there. It's probably nothing. We'll find a coffee shop when you get your legs get tired.
I'm alright in a minute.
Get ready, boo, going off road. There's not a lot in this corner, just a bar, tattoo studio, a few tattoo shops about. Well, you get your nails done. It's nice and warm in the centre.
Oh, I can't see for that sun.
Yeah, that's something we need to look out for. No, another pair of sunglasses. Because we broke one pair of these, so I only got this pair.
Well, we didn't break them, they fell apart, didn't
Well, yeah, they just boing, fell off. This is one of them places we're not going to be able to get around it all. Because there is streets going that way, that way, that way, that way. Yeah, there's police there, 1, 2, 3, 5 police talking to a guy. Don't know what's going off there.
Don't know, but they're taking notes.
Yes. Got a load of canners over there as well, look, with yellow flowers on. Yes, they have a lot of pharmacies. Like France seem to, well, we seem to come across them anyway, don't we?
Which is a good thing.
In England there's about 1 per town. Over here there's about 8.
This is a big place though, Pamplona. It's a big city, isn't it?
Yeah.
Found another big statue there, look. In the middle. Oh, in the middle, it's like a roundabout, isn't it? This looks a bit more going out, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Not sure. Let's consult Google Maps.
Maybe up and down that one?
Yeah, up and down that one. Yeah, go on then. I'll let you lead the way. We don't quite know which way we're going here. We're whimming it. What's Saki spotted?
The path under the square.
Yeah. Look down the end of the street, that big dome top building.
Oh yeah.
I don't quite know where this goes, but everybody's walking this way.
I know they are, aren't they? There's nothing down to the left, is there? Oh, Zach, what were you going?
There's just some shops when you go down that way, I think. What a beautiful place. Look at that in there. Posh marble staircase. But yeah, it's, I'm quite impressed with Pamplona. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Our first Spanish city. We've struck gold with this one.
I think so.
After that weird French experience. Yeah, that was where I was on about, and then down that one. More bread. More bars. I didn't think he was going to go down there then. Yeah. They don't care around here, do they? Oh, they're Pamplona t-shirts.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go and have a look. It's all the bull running stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now they're tomatoes. Look at the size of them whoppers. Get your lemons by the bagful here.
Yeah.
Another street full of activity. There's a wine one there, look.
Oh, yeah.
I bet it's more red wine than rosé wine. What got in that one? Oh, what are they?
Like delicacies, aren't they, down here?
What are they? Foods? Are they meat all up?
Yeah. Yeah, big meat legs.
Oh,
I thought they were bags. I thought they were like drug magnets.
Yeah, they're dry cured, aren't they?
there's plenty of people out having cocktails and beers. So I think it's acceptable that I have an Estrella Damm. Because I've only ever had it out of a tin or out of a pump in the UK.
Yeah.
So,
We'll find somewhere to sit.
yes. Obviously scooters are accepted over here, so
Obviously, because they're going at 90 mile an hour everywhere.
yeah, it's handy for Zach. Zach's not going 90 mile an hour, only when it's clear.
He's only got his in first gear.
What's this shop? We need to get a postcard.
Yeah.
We're trying to collect postcards where we go now. And they do, it's everything about Pamplona, this shop, look. I love Pamplona plates. They do the, we can get a card here, look.
Do you two want to go in or?
No?
You're going in.
This one's quite a touristy street, isn't there? There's a lot of shops where you can buy souvenirs, gifts.
Yeah, there's a lot of bull run stuff down here.
Yes, they must run down this street.
They must do.
Because there's a lot of bull run stuff. And then, I don't know why they let vehicles come down here. They just keep darting out of the way. What do they do over here? That's, I don't know what that shop is.
Which one?
This one, it's got all sorts. Like a health shop maybe. Yeah, there was a bull run shop there. There's one here, all the bull run merchandise. Oh, kebab shop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's $6.50 here as well. It's 50 cents cheaper. We'll have to walk all the way over here when we want a kebab tonight.
Well, you take the scooter there and I'll leave you.
No, we've got chicken tonight, haven't we?
Yeah.
I think we're having chicken tonight later.
Yeah.
Zach's off down there, look, in the distance. Yes, they love the bull running stuff, don't they? Well, it's very famous for it, isn't it? So.
Oh, yeah.
There's a snail man here, look, sells snails. Well, we think that's what he sells. Are you sure that's what he sells? Or it's just snail cargo? He's delivering letters and stuff, I think.
Probably, I don't know.
We thought it was actually snails, didn't we? Yeah, so we'll head down and up this way towards the big cathedral. There's a kebab shop open here, look. And that one's only €5.80. Decisions. I think we're having some food out today. I think we have to treat ourselves. It's definitely to a drink.
Yeah.
Right, we're going up this way, Zaki. We're going to test that scooter out. Oh, look. Oh, yummy, nice things. Cakes, cookies. Oh. Everything looks so beautiful. It's very clean as well, isn't it? Even all the edges of the street. Very clean. Yes. Another street going off that way. Wow, look at the bell at the top. Mepra. Oh, I can't even
Maria.
pronounce it. It's what?
Cathedral de Santa Maria.
Come on.
Yes, that's a big building. Built in the 14th and 15th centuries.
Redriver.
Yeah, over the remains of a Romanesque church.
Well, it looks well.
It does, doesn't it?
Wow. I didn't think it was that old.
The interior is French Gothic.
There's more information on the app.
Yeah.
It's peaceful as anything up here, isn't it?
Isn't it? Can't get in there.
So peaceful. I'm not sure. There is a door open, but the trouble is when we've got Bailey wheels,
Yeah.
there's no scooters in there. There'll be no dogs. That's one downside. So we've took a vote and we're going to go and look for somewhere to sit down and have a nice drink, aren't we?
Yeah.
So hard on this.
It is. It is
Yes,
almost
it's a bit-
That's why I'm not working on turning around.
Yes, it's got hard tyres on the scooter, so it doesn't like this kind of floor. It's right on the pavements. Right, so we're heading back down here. All you'll need down here, Zach, is brakes. And we'll find somewhere to park up for a short while and Bailey can have a drink.
They look like some nice places on that square, didn't they?
Yes, well, I think better in the centre. We can sit
Yeah.
in sunshine then.
Yeah.
Because we've got shorts on and it's not cold here,
It's not cold now.
but it's just a tiny fresh breeze.
He doesn't, does he?
Hey, do you want your picture next to the bull, Zachy?
Yeah.
It says do not touch the bull.
Yes.
No,
Zachy's treated himself to a t-shirt
I haven't treated myself.
I treated him.
and we figured out what the noise is. There's a skip down there and it's got one of those,
Stuff down the chute.
the chutes that go down, it's one of them.
Ah.
Oh, very smart.
It's nice, isn't it? I like that.
Yes. Oh, boo's on the move.
They had some in black, but they were like XXL.
Yeah, I heard the noise
XXL was only
twice.
about this big.
Yeah.
XXL.
Yeah.
That's what I need. No
We've got
XL.
some lovely t-shirts and they're not overpriced.
Yeah, so we know what's making that noise now. We thought it was some underground recycling system, didn't we?
Yeah.
How wrong was we?
Yeah. Round to the right.
We're on to the right. We're going to
steady.
head up that way.
You should round to the right and show them that.
Get yourself a gin in there, look. That's a long, thin bar.
I noticed that.
And it's how the buildings have been made, isn't
Yeah.
it? So. Right, up to the left here, Zach. And we'll find somewhere to park ourselves there. Well, hopefully. Well, there's plenty of places, but we want somewhere set out in the sunshine, don't we?
Yeah.
Did we come down this one? No, I think we came. No, I don't know. No idea.
No, we didn't. It's all Halloween stuff.
Oh yes. Oh, some nice treats. Oh, look at cream cakes in there. Oh, what's that?
That big bread thing, that's what's caught my eye.
I don't know what it is, but I want one.
It's nice, that.
Yes, it does look nice. This looks like the place we need to be, across this side or that side. That's the sun corner.
This one looks very
This one says
popular.
BBVA. It looks like a bank. It don't.
Doesn't it?
I don't. Well, I think it is a bank. I'm not sure. It's got all seating outside. That one looks like a. Oh, it is a cafe. It says
Oh, yeah.
that one's a cafe. Might actually change my mind and have a latte. Actually,
Yes, I'm smelling good coffee.
because if I have a pint of beer, I'll be busting for the toilet. And then, yes, if not knowing where the
Sit out here, then.
we know where the toilets are. They're underground, aren't they?
Of course they are, yeah. Should we sit here, Zachy?
What is
Sit
it?
this one? Yeah.
What? Where all the birdies
All
are?
the birds. With all the birds.
Sit where all the birds are. Either that one or there's one a bit less busy there, look.
It's a bar, that
Bar.
bar down the street.
Right. So we're liking the look of this one. Because it doesn't look so busy. And it's got a nice English menu. Oh. We've got sandwiches as well, look. Chicken wings. Squid rings. So we've decided on a pint of San Miguel. I cannot sit here and not have a beer. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
The lady spoke a bit of English, which was nice.
Yeah.
Zach's trying to do his hair because he's had his helmet on and his hair's gone all...
Because of the gaps. Yeah, it's gone curling.
Because of the gaps in his helmet, so obviously you've got to wear a helmet
Some
over
of it
here.
gets squished down, some of it doesn't.
He's got a...
Like you've had a perm, darling.
Yeah, look at his hair. It's got a weird pattern going on.
But like you can't help it. Like
No, you can't.
Oh, it's glorious.
Who's
that,
having a
isn't it?
nice cold drink?
Yeah, I wanted an Estrella Damm, but these ones do San Miguel, not Estrella Damm, so I think I can manage it. I'm hungry and all. Cheers. Looks like a half. It's a weird glass, isn't it?
Isn't it?
It's very nice. €4 for the beer. Not bad. And only €2.40 for the coffee. In fact, the Coke was the dearest. Oh, the Coke was $3.40.
I'm the cheapest as usual.
Yes. So coffee's the cheapest round here.
You're curling up, mate.
Oh, Zach. Boo's curling up. He's had a drink. Water.
He likes to unclip him and he likes to look out the back of his buggy through the mesh panel.
He's had a drop of the old Peckham Spring.
Yeah,
hasn't he?
that's it.
Onwards. The sun has gone in now, hasn't it?
Yes.
I don't, where's the sunshine? Well, it's there. I can see it, but
Yeah.
it's gone in for a little while.
But we've recharged, haven't we?
We've recharged and we've got another mile in us. Pigeon about to have a bath, look, or a drink. You having a bath there, mate?
Why not?
Yes.
Listening to beautiful music.
So we got to here earlier, so we decided we're going to walk back this way, aren't we?
Well, we'll walk this way, whether
Well,
it's back or not, we don't know.
yes, whether it goes back, we'll pretend it goes back and we'll go this way. We ain't got no bread yet, so hopefully we might find a fresh bread shop down here.
These have got fresh breadsticks.
Oh yes.
Becky.
Yeah, but is it a bakery type shop or is it a... They've got cookies and stuff in there, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not a bakery type shop though, let's go a bit further. There's bound to be another one. Bound to be another bakery down here, isn't there? They have these little booths everywhere for the Spanish lottery, is it? Or scratch cards.
Something like that, yeah.
And there's that big monument we saw earlier on. Oh, they look macaroons.
Yeah, don't they look good?
The size of that bank over the road. The Casar Bank. Bank of Spain. Bank of Casar. Somebody else singing down here as well. There's street after street. Beautiful down here, isn't it? They've got some high quality buskers around here, haven't they? Really good singers, really good music. Well, really Spanish music, isn't it?
Yeah, but they're not killing it though.
No, but it's lovely to hear. And we're heading back down this way now to the park where we came through. I think we're in a slightly different place. But we're on the hunt for some fresh bread. We are. I wish I brought me trousers now. It's gone a little chilly now that sun's gone in. Of a restaurant. Vending machine shop there, look, 2 vending machines. And oh, it's a laundrette. Laundrette there. Yeah, it was a laundrette with 2 vending machines outside. Quite novel.
What we are doing, more or less.
We're heading back towards the park over this way, look. So So we're back round to where we started now, because we came in across here, didn't we?
Yeah.
Down these streets. Whether we just nipped down this one to see if we found some bread. Well, I don't think it was this one we came down, it was the next one.
Yeah, we went down to that big building, didn't we?
We need to find some bread, Zaki. So it's going to have a quick look down there for some nice fresh bread.
Let's see if there's a bakery on this street.
We've got some baguettes. There's a noisy person with a grinder.
I know. Right. Can you have the bread?
You.
Get away from that noisy grinder. I don't remember this bit. We must have come in this way.
We can't come down this way.
I don't know.
There's that many streets.
Yes. You can get lost easily here.
Christmas lights looking pretty. I bet they'll look lovely at night when they're all lit up.
You'll have to come and video them for everybody. Save my legs.
We'll get the push bike out.
It's not far to walk.
It's not far to walk, no.
I think I'd sooner walk. The problem is with a push bike is, yeah, brilliant, let's get push bikes so we can bike them, but then we can't film.
Yeah.
If you want to go in shops, you've got to lock them up, mess about.
Yeah, it is a bit of a pain.
And to be honest, I think I need exercise. Oh, there's a big hotel down here, look, the hotel. Tresray. And this is where we crossed over and came down earlier, isn't it?
Yes.
So now we're heading back through the park. I think there's some toilets over there as well. We need the toilet. Zach's going ahead to scout out which way to go. He likes it. He's loving it on that scooter. Well, we hope you enjoyed Pamplona, because we thoroughly enjoyed Pamplona. It's a cracking place to visit if you ever get a chance to come here in your life.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely come here.
Let me let this one out because I think he probably needs a wiggle.
Yes.
Come on, mister.
We kept him in there while we've been walking round because it's just better for him. And he ain't got to
there you go.
ain't got to worry about him getting trodden on or anything, have we? But we're going to head back to the van and we're going to get some of that nice fresh bread, aren't we?
Yes.
We can't wait.
Sirens again.
Police car. Seems to be
They've got lots of different names, haven't they?
three different designs of police cars. Not quite sure.
Yeah.
We've seen them in red, blue and white. But yeah, nice park as well here.
Lovely park to walk through.
Yeah, a few play parks. There's a happy Zach there on his scooter. Well, that's the end of this video.
Yes.
We might even head out into the night time, didn't we? And have a look at the Christmas lights lit up. But we want to thank everybody for watching this week.
Yes, thank you very much.
And tune in next time to find out if we stop here.
Or head somewhere else.
Well, we're definitely stopping here tonight, aren't we?
We are, yeah.
Yeah, tune in and to see whether we come round in the dark and see where we head to next, because we don't know where we're going next.
No idea yet, have we?
Yeah.
We're just enjoying being here.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
See you in the next one.